In this video, you'll learn how to use the Express desktop landing page for personal support workers. This includes learning how to navigate Express, understand the information that's on the page itself, and switch between the Express desktop and Express Mobile EVV. To access Express, use the hyperlink that was emailed to you along with your login information. We highly encourage you to bookmark that on your computer or on your mobile device, but even if you don't, you can still access Express by using a search engine. So in this example, I've already typed in Express here into the search bar, and now I'm going to hit the search button. Now from the results list, generally the top link will be the correct one, and you can tell because it says express.state.or.us. I'm going to click that link. Now on the login page, you can select Forgot Your Password or Need a Login if you need assistance logging in. There's also quick access to the user guides and a Contact Us link to reach out to ODDS. Here, you'll enter in your username and your password. And then click Submit. Here on the landing page, let's take a look at the top menu bar. Here you have the Home button, which returns you to this screen no matter where you are in the system. The My Account button shows you basic information about your Express account. Change Password does just that. It's where you go to reset or change your password. And then Help is an option here. And if you hover over the Help menu, you're going to see different categories. Probably you'll want to stay in the General Information and the PSW Providers sections, because those have topics that apply to PSW providers most. The Customer Service menu is also a hover, and it gives you the option to contact us or to submit an Express technical assistance request to get help from our service desk. And then there's the Logout button. Now the Help menu and the Customer Service menu, they are both key for resolving any issues you might encounter while working in Express. Next, we see that Alert section that shows how many hours we've worked for the current work week, and that work week is from Sunday to Saturday each week. And then there's credential information, such as the CHC and the PEA expires. These are different things that need to be renewed periodically, as well as the Approved to Work credential, which also has an expiration date. The My Step section shows details about your current and historical rates. It includes information such as the base rate, the effective date of that rate, and then the total calculated hours that are used to place you on the current step that you're at. And then there's the left navigation. This is key to accessing everything in the system that you need. Starting from the top, we have the Go to EVV option, and clicking that allows you to switch between the desktop site of Express and the mobile EVV version of Express, and back and forth. And when I clicked it, you'll see that the layout shifts, but the information is similar. I still have my hours worked limit and my credential reminders here, and I can switch back to the Express desktop site by clicking Express Desktop. So this is an example showing that Express EVV is not an app, it's the main website that's been adapted for use on a mobile device. And you can always switch back and forth between these two versions. Everything else in the left navigation comes down to two things: finding and viewing work, or creating service-delivered billing entries or travel time claims. Now let's take a look at Express Mobile EVV. In this example, I'm using my desktop computer to simulate what it would look like on a mobile phone if you were using the Express Mobile EVV site. Express Mobile EVV is simpler than the main Express website because it's designed for a specific purpose. It's designed to clock in for an attendant care shift and to clock out. Here you get some of those same reminders like the hours worked, credentials, and also a reminder about Medicaid and using the EVV system accurately, and how failure to do so could be considered Medicaid fraud. Any alerts that are important for you to know will appear here under Things to Know, and then at the top, you'll have most of the same options that are available on the Express desktop site. You can access the help guides, contact us, navigate back to the Express desktop site, or log out. Click the menu to close it, and then you can click Acknowledge to get right into that process of clocking in for an attending care shift.